Welcome everyone. Let's meet today in a comfortable seated position. And as we inhale, just go ahead and reach the arms all the way up to the sky. And exhale to drop the hands down, either to heart center or maybe rest them on your knees. Just taking a few big rolls through the shoulders and eventually resting back in stillness. Feeling free to gently close the eyes or soften the gaze. Inhaling deeply through the nose and exhaling slowly. Taking a moment here to simply arrive. Not just physically on your mat, but mentally and emotionally. Allowing yourself a few deep breaths and a moment of stillness. Breathing deeply in, exhaling completely back out. Really feeling the journey of your breath as it moves through your body. Connecting to the sense of grounding, of calm. And whenever you're ready, gently opening back up through those eyes. And on your next inhale, go ahead and reach both arms all the way up overhead. Lengthen the arms up and away. On your next exhale, take the left hand to the mat, reaching the right arm all the way up and over. Welcoming that stretch through the right hand side of the waist and through the ribs. And if it feels good to maybe bend the left elbow and maybe drop down, we can. Breathing deeply down into the belly. Keep reaching the right fingertips away. Take a few deep breaths here, breathing in, breathing out. And then eventually come all the way back up, reaching both hands up once again. This time as we exhale, drop the right hand down, reach the left arm over. Extending the arm away, reaching through the fingertips. Keeping the chest open, facing forwards. And if it feels good to bend through the bottom elbow, maybe drop down to the elbow, we might do that. Inhaling slowly, breathing right down to the belly. Last breath here. And then eventually come all the way up through center, reach both hands up, interlink the fingers and press the palms of the hands up to the sky. Keep the shoulders rolling back. Big breath in to reach up. And as we exhale, press the palms of the hands forwards round the upper back. Hold it here. Really stretching that little space right between the shoulder blades. And then release back to center. Take the hands onto the knees and start to make some nice big circles with your upper body. So the sit bones stay stuck to the mat. Inhaling as we sweep the body forwards and exhaling as we round back. Trying to bring as much movement into the spine as we can. Allowing the neck and the shoulders to get involved if they want to. And then switching directions, taking a few big circles the other way. Inhaling forwards, exhaling back. Last breath here. And then eventually come back to into center with a nice long spine. Let's release the right leg out towards the side of your mat and keep the left heel in towards your body. From here, focus on sitting up nice and tall through the spine as we point and flex the toes. Just starting to bring a little bit of movement and mobility into the ankles. We keep the foot flexed. Inhale as we reach the hands up and exhale to find a twist. Right hand onto left knee, left hand behind the low back. Keep those right toes flexed. Focus on sitting tall with every inhale. Feel free to stay here, or if the movement serves you, maybe pick up the back hand and reach over towards those right toes. Lengthening through the left hand side of your body this time. Taking a deep breath in. And a full breath out. Nice, come on back through center and release yourself back. Inhale as we reach the hands up and then exhale to face over that straightened leg and find a nice big forward fold, just allowing the upper body to gently fold down over that right leg. Just allowing gravity to do most of the work here. Letting the spine relax, the neck relax. Full deep breaths. And then when you're ready, slowly coming all the way back up into center. And let's take the same thing on the other side. So this time extend the left leg away, bring the right heel in towards your body and find a long spine. Let's start with a few little points and flex through those left toes, just welcoming in that movement into the feet and the ankles. And then flexing the toes up, keeping them there as we reach the hands up. And as we exhale, find our twist. Left hand to the right knee this time. The right hand comes behind the low back. Every inhale, we lengthen the spine. Every exhale, we twist. Maybe starting to send the gaze over the back shoulder. Feeling free to stay here, or if the movement serves you, picking that back hand up from the floor and reaching towards the left toes. Breathing into the right hand side of your body, lengthening through the fingertips. Take a full deep breath here. And then when you're ready, slowly coming all the way back up, let's turn to face forwards as we reach the hands up and then turn to face over that straightened leg and fold yourself down over that left leg. Again, just giving your body a moment to relax here. The gravity does most of the work. Relax your lower, middle, upper back, your neck. Your last full breath here, all the way in and all the way out. And when you're ready, slowly coming all the way back up into center. And let's meet in a butterfly position with soles of the feet together, knees nice and wide, and find a nice long spine. The feet can be as close or as far away from the body as feels good. If it feels good to find a forward fold, we might melt the body forwards towards the feet. And if it serves you to press the elbows into the knees just to help them gently open, that's going to encourage that stretch through the inner thighs. Trying to find slow and deep breaths here. Breathing right down into the hips. Exhaling any tightness or tension away. And if it feels good to maybe walk the fingertips forwards, we might reach the arms out. Deep breaths in. Releasing tension as we exhale. And then eventually bringing yourself all the way back up into center and finding whatever position is comfortable for you. Let's take a few more big rolls through the shoulders, just releasing any tension away from the upper back. And then tuck the chin into the chest and find a few little half neck circles here. Just rocking the head slowly side to side. Letting the head feel heavy, keeping the shoulders relaxed. And if it feels good to find some full big circles, maybe we drop the head all the way back and around. Remembering to switch the directions of our circles at some points. Moving slowly, bringing the chin back towards the chest, taking one more deep breath here into the very back of your neck, and then picking the head back up, gently closing the eyes if they're not already, resting your hands palms facing up. Come back to your breath. Find stillness within your body and find a slowing down of your breath and of your mind. Allowing thoughts to gently come and go as they please. Not trying to hold on or overthink. Just allowing each passing thought to go. Feeling the weight of your body grinding down into your mat, your sit bones, your legs, your feet. With each inhale, inviting in calm. And with each exhale, releasing any tension, any stress. Feeling anything that you do not wish to hold on to, melting down into your mat, letting go. Find a few more quiet breaths here. Take one final deep inhale, followed by a full releasing exhale through your mouth. And then gently open back up through the eyes. And namaste. Thank you so much for practicing with me. See you soon.